On the 17th and 18th November, the much-anticipated annual event for FLI in the Asia-Pacific region took place. Partner firms from the area spanning from North Asia to Australia gathered together to further the bonds between them, and FLI as well as to present valuable content in front of valuable clients whose headquarters are nestled in the region. Singapore was the best attended event in FLI's 15-year history. Members from every FLI NET jurisdiction were in attendance, including FLI's new Japanese partner and a VIP observer from Australia sent by management to vet the network. Our Singapore hosts spared no expense to ensure this to be FLI's standard of excellence bearer, and that they did splendidly. From the strategic location of the venue in the heart of the business district to the setting of the social entertainment among fellow partners, dignitaries, guests and VIPs. Singapore in November is a lovely setting for such global events. Among the highlights on day one were opening and welcoming remarks by the Deputy Speaker, Parliament of Singapore, MP for Mountbatten, President, Consumers Association of Singapore, CASE. The hosting firm presentation by Chairman Dr. C. Kiat Tho. Of particular interest was the presentation by FLI's UK member on the controversial subject of Brexit. A selected number of law firms had the opportunity to present to the General Assembly and various clients, including updates on the political and economic situation in their countries and the impact on Asia Pacific. Of course, in keeping with a long-standing tradition, FLI members, both new and old, look forward to the speed dating session of the conference to get to know each other better and find synergies from which to build bridges of trust and collaboration on cross-border matters. By the time the second day of the conference arrived, friendships and camaraderie among old and new friends was well underway. The focus shifted to client and business developments. Among those of particular interest were insolvency laws and practice and debt restructuring in Singapore and third-party arbitration funding, what it is and how it will help your business. They were both delivered by very seasoned industry veterans in their respective fields. Singapore is perhaps the most strategically situated gateway between Asia and the Middle East. FLI's conference could not have been complete without a discussion on investment opportunities in the Middle East and how to set up shop there for Asia-Pacific multinationals wanting to court Arab counterparts and lucrative Muslim capital. In keeping with the impact of technology in the legal industry, FLI's fall conference concluded with an insightful discussion over leveraging regulatory technology, RegTech, tools for governance, risk management and compliance, GRC, and digital disruption. This segment brought to light the unavoidable impact that technology and artificial intelligence is having in the legal industry and how First Law International in particular is positioning itself as the premier global network with disruptive technological impacts. The gala dinner in Singapore could not have been a more sumptuous affair. After 3 days of meetings, client-driven events and speed dating among partners, the splendid hosts of Goodwin's law firm arranged for a lovely setting of the Shenton rooms at the Millennium Hotel in the heart of Singapore, where Associate Professor Ho Peng Ki, former Senior Minister of the State for Law and Home Affairs, addressed the impressive audience comprised of members, spouses, dignitaries and VIPs guests. FLI's conferences are impressive, not only because they are great events for our partners and clients with ample content-rich presentations, but because every time an event of this global magnitude is brought to life, the compelling business model of this global elite network is once again reaffirmed. FLI is the network of choice for a growing number of multinational companies because it is the network responsive to the innovative changes in the industry and leading the charge in ways that clients identify and appreciate. Stay tuned for new events for 2017, and the First Law International Management and all our partners worldwide look forward to seeing you in Barcelona, one of the Mediterranean's most stunning cities. See you in España in May 2017.